Crime against Northeast people in India is a serious issue concerning the people of Northeast. Every now and then, there are incidents of Northeast people being abused, discriminated, and even murdered. Ironically, so far the government has done nothing to bring justice to the victims. The case of Richard Loitam is one such story. 2 years have gone by when Richard was murdered at his hostel on April 17, 2012. But till now, he is yet to be given justice. The bereaved family members expressed their helplessness today in an exclusive interview with Impact News.
Ma lagi da music sahi ani sure sahi ani complete over 17 April da ado sida akoina feel tawrisi justice si yamna tappi
lagi draba agi ja Richard ki lagi da basi sahi ani phajal e hauji khok da khoi si justice su phangdri case su chatharaga su yamna tappe tapasi akoi justice singai bida ware adu justice si agi isa Richard nataba atopa Richard kumba case ma kayam chuthol khibai justice si phangaudragadi.
Dr. R.K. Vidyapati and Dr. Loitam Rajesh, parents of Richard Loitam, could not hold back their tears when asked about the upcoming Football World Cup. A once enthusiastic footballer, Richard's love for the sports is known to his friends and family. The approaching World Cup made his parents nostalgic.
World Cup lag matamdadi masi ahing tumdagi dum yengbani adi makhoi ai yengmine adi matamda music World Cup lag matamdadi akoini really miss man tok man
World Cup se adum yeng haina khale yeng su yengani because I'll think that Richard is with me and I'm watching him and I'll wish his team.
They requested the government and all the concerned authorities to help them in speeding up the pending case and give them justice. Otherwise, such crimes will continue to haunt the society. They felt that no parents should again be agonized for the loss of their loved ones. Crime against Northeast people is increasing day by day. Parents of the victims feel that such crimes will continue if justice is not given in time. With camera person Bisorjit, this is Loitam Monica, Impact News, Imphal.